Ever wondered how to make your food look as good as it tastes? You're in the right place. This video will walk you through 10 simple tips to elevate the visual appeal of your culinary creations. Stay tuned to discover how you can transform your dishes from good to great. Firstly, let's talk about color. Imagine a plate of food vibrant with reds, greens, yellows. Different hues not only make the dish visually appealing, but also indicate a variety of nutrients. So mix and match, create a rainbow on your plate. Remember, a colorful plate is a feast for the eyes. Next up, garnishes. These little heroes play a crucial role in enhancing the visual appeal of dishes. An artfully arranged sprig of parsley, a slice of lemon, or a sprinkle of sesame seeds can transform a meal from ordinary to extraordinary. So, don't forget those finishing touches. Now, let's focus on presentation. This is where your culinary artistry truly shines. A well-plated dish can transform a simple meal into a feast for the eyes. The arrangement, the balance, the drama, it all adds to the allure. Always remember, presentation is key. Let's quickly recap what we've covered so far. We've explored the importance of color in making food visually appealing, the value of garnishes to enhance aesthetic appeal, and the role of presentation in elevating the overall dining experience. Now, let's move on to the next set of tips. Moving on to texture. A culinary masterpiece isn't just about flavor. It's also about the play of textures. Crispy, creamy, crunchy, soft. Mixing these elements can transform a dish, making it visually engaging and exciting to the palate. Remember, texture adds depth to your dish. Next, fresh ingredients. There's no substitute for freshness. A dish prepared with fresh ingredients beams with vibrant colors, bursting with life. It's visually appealing, inviting you to dive in. Freshness breathes life into your culinary creations, so always go for fresh when you can. Now balance. The art of food presentation is not just about color and texture. It's an orchestration of harmony. Balancing elements like sweet and savory or crunchy and soft can truly enhance a dish's visual appeal. Remember, balance is crucial in creating a visually appealing dish. Next up, contrast. Imagine biting into a crispy golden brown croissant, only to discover a soft, creamy filling inside. That's the magic of contrast at work. It's not just about flavors, but also colors and textures. So don't be afraid to play with contrast. Let's quickly recap what we've covered. Color, garnishes, presentation, texture, fresh ingredients, balance, and contrast all play a crucial role in making your food visually appealing. With these 10 simple tips, you're now ready to make your food look as good as it tastes. Bon appétit!